Good morning to all students. Once again, welcome on online classes. In previous lecture of lecture 13 of 9th class maths, we already discussed that how we will find out the volume of the right circular cone. Right circular cone का वॉल्यूम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, that we already discussed in lecture number 13. In today lecture 14, we will discuss that how we will find out the volume of the sphere, volume of the hemisphere, volume of the spherical cell and volume of the hemispherical cell. So in today lecture we will discuss first is volume of sphere. So what is the volume of the sphere? That is the cross section and that R is the radius of the circle. So what is the volume of the sphere? V is 4 upon 3 pi R cube, which will come either in centimeter cube over the meter cube. Next, what is the volume of the spherical cell? So what did you mean by the word spherical cell? Spherical cell का मीनिंग क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? Spherical cell का मीनिंग क्या होगा? A sphere in which whose internal radius is present and external radius is present. जिसमें internal radius भी present है, external radius भी present है. That is known as spherical cell. So volume of spherical cell what is the volume of spherical cell, which is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube minus r2 cube, where r1 is greater than r2. r1 is the external radius and r2 is the internal radius. And the width, how we will calculate width? In external radius minus the internal radius, which will give us the width of the spherical cell. Okay, so volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. What is the volume of the spherical cell? 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube minus r2 cube, which will give us the volume of the spherical cell. After that, we will discuss question based on that one. Example देखो, if the radius of sphere is 1 centimeter, then find the volume of sphere. If the radius of sphere is given to 1 centimeter, then how we will find out the volume? We know that the volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and here radius is 1 centimeter. So volume is 4 upon 3, 22 upon 7, 1 power 3. So volume is 88 upon 21 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the sphere. Easy question है, that is type first question, which is based on directly formula. Now second type question देखो, example number second. In example number second, given to you that if the outer and inner radius of spherical cell is, outer radius and inner radius of the spherical cell is 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter, then find the volume of spherical cell. So students, how we will find out here the volume of the spherical cell? Here its internal radius is given and external radius is also given. Internal radius भी given है, external radius भी given है. So here R1 external radius is 5 centimeter, R2 internal radius is 4 centimeter. So what is the volume of the spherical cell? 4/3 pi R1 cube minus R2 cube. Substitute the value. 4/3, 22/7. R1 value 5 whole cube, R2 value 3 whole cube. 88/21 multiply 5 cube is 125 minus 4 cube is 64. So 88/21 multiply subtract 161. Now ये divide नहीं हो रहा, so that will come in centimeter cube. That is the volume of the spherical cell. Understand question? Easy है. Directly, if their external radius given, internal radius given, then how we will find out the volume? And if their radius is given, then how we will find out the volume? अब question students question में changes क्या हो सकते हैं आपको देखो इधर. Here given to you, if the outer radius is 5 centimeter and its width is 1 centimeter, then find the volume of the spherical cell. Outer radius is given and width of the spherical cell is given. Then how we will find out the volume of the spherical cell? To find out the volume of the spherical cell, firstly we will find out its internal radius, and we know that if width given and external radius is given, then how we will find out its width? Internal radius equals to external radius minus width. इस क्वेश्चन में चेंजेस क्या हो सकते हैं आपको ये गिवन हो सकता है. इफ द बेस एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल इज दैट वन, सो पाई आर स्क्वायर वैल्यू गिवन है, वहां से आर कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग आउट द आर यू कैन फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम. Next type question, that is very very important question. What is given to you? The diameter of earth is approximately 1/4 of diameter of moon. The diameter of earth is approximately 1/4 of diameter of the moon. Then find the ratio of volume of earth to moon. You will find out here the volume of earth to the moon, and here a relation is given to you between the diameter of earth and diameter of moon given. So let the diameter of moon be x, then according to question, what is given to you? The diameter of earth is equals to 1/4 of diameter of moon. ये given है. Diameter of earth is 1/4 of diameter of moon. So what is the diameter of earth? 1/4 multiplied by the x. Now what is the radius of moon, which is r1, that is x/2, because डायमीटर आपने क्या लेट किया है, मून का x लेट किया है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन डायमीटर ऑफ अर्थ इज मीन्स इक्वल 1/4 ऑफ डायमीटर ऑफ मून. सो d of earth is equals to 1/4 multiplied by the x. Now diameter of moon is equals to r1 x/2. And what is the radius of earth? Radius of earth क्या है, r2. Diameter क्या है, x/4. Then radius 1/2, which become x by 8. So here, using the given relationship, we find out that the radius of the moon is x by 2 and the radius of earth is x by 8. नेक्स्ट क्या कैलकुलेट करना है स्टूडेंट्स आपको? वॉल्यूम. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ is divided by volume of moon. Both are in spherical shape. 4/3 pi r1 cube. 4/3 pi. अर्थ की क्या है? r2 है, r2 cube and r1 cube. 4 pi cancel. So r2 upon r1 whole. Right? Now we will substitute the values. Value substitute करो. So after substituting the value, volume of earth to the volume of moon is equals to, what is the value of R2? R2 value is x by 8, R1 value x by 2 whole power 3 multiply. So 2x upon 8x is equals to 3. X cancel, 1 4. So 1 upon 4 whole power 3. 1 power 3 is 1. 4 power 3 is the 64. So volume of earth to the volume of moon is 1:64. So the ratio of the volume of earth to the volume of the moon is 1:16 will come. Understand? Again listen, question में क्या given था आपको? The diameter of earth is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the moon. A relation is given to you that the diameter of the earth is equals to 1/4 of the diameter of the moon. So let the diameter of the moon be x. Then what is the diameter of the earth? x by 4. So आपने moon का diameter x consider किया है. So what is the radius of the moon? x by 2. Then what is the diameter? Diameter x by 4. So what is the radius of the earth? x by 8. Now after find out the ratio of the volume of earth to the ratio of the volume of the moon. Understand? So that is all about the question which is based on the sphere. Now we will discuss the volume and the volume of hemispherical cell. नेक्स्ट डिस्कस करते हैं वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर. So in hemisphere, that is the radius, that is also radius. So what is the volume of the hemisphere? We already discussed that. What is the volume of the sphere? Sphere का volume क्या होता है students? 4/3 pi r cube. So here hemisphere meaning is that half of the sphere. So volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube, which will come either in a centimeter cube over the meter cube. That is the volume of the hemisphere. Any problem? So volume of hemisphere meaning is that volume of hemisphere is equals to 1/2 multiply by the volume of the sphere. So from here, ratio of volume of hemisphere to the sphere is 1/, volume of hemisphere to the volume of sphere is 1/2. That is a 1:2 will come. Any problem? Now next is, what is the volume of hemispherical cell? Volume of hemispherical cell. So again, what is the hemispherical cell? A hemisphere whose internal radius is different and external radius is different. That looks like that one. R2 and that is R1. So that width is present or not? That width. So what is the volume of hemispherical cell? 2 upon 3 pi R1 cube minus 2 upon 3 pi R2 cube, where R1 is greater than the R2. R1 is the external radius and R2 is the internal radius. So 2 upon 3 pi common, 2 upon 3 pi is common, then R1 cube minus R2 cube. That is the volume of the hemispherical cell. Understand? Now we will discuss question. Question देखो, if the CSA of hemisphere is 88 pi centimeter square, then find the volume of hemisphere. So what is given to you? The curved surface area of hemisphere is 88 pi centimeter square. Then what we will find out the volume of the hemisphere. So to calculate the volume of the hemisphere, firstly we will require the radius of the hemisphere. But here radius of the hemisphere is not given. So first work our to find out the radius of the hemisphere. So what is given to you here? CSA is 88 pi, but we know that CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, right? Now substitute 2 pi r square is equals to 88 pi. पाई इसको 88 को आप रिप्लेस करके स्टूडेंट्स क्या कर लो, 8 कर लो. ओके 8 पाई, पाई पाई कैंसिल, आर स्क्वायर 8 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 4. सो व्हाट इज द आर? रूट ऑफ 4 आर इज 2 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड आउट कर लिया. व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर? 2 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर इज 2 अपॉन 3 पाई आर क्यूब. 2 upon 3, 22 upon 7, 2 power 3, 44 upon 21, 8. So volume will come 8 for 32, then 35 divided by 21 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the hemisphere. So students, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में क्या है, डायरेक्टली दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आर नॉट बेस्ड ऑन द फॉर्मूला. डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूले पे बेस नहीं होता. यहाँ पे क्या गिवन था? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर गिवन, देन you will find out the volume of the hemisphere. So how we will find out the volume of the hemisphere? To calculate the volume of the hemisphere, firstly we will find out the radius of the hemisphere. After finding out the radius of the hemisphere, we will find out the volume of the hemisphere. Now next we will discuss question on the hemispherical cell. A hemispherical cell whose width is 2 centimeter and internal radius is 1 centimeter and the density of metal is 10 gram per centimeter cube, then find the mass of hemispherical. बॉल, यहाँ पे क्या कंसिडर कर लो, दैट इज बॉल. So here we will find out the mass of the hemispherical ball. So to calculate the mass of the hemispherical ball, firstly we will find out the volume of the hemisphere. So students, how we will find out the volume of the hemisphere? Given to you, its width is 2 centimeter, internal radius r1 is 1 centimeter. So how we will calculate external radius? External radius width plus r1, so r2 is equals to 2 plus 1 is the 3 centimeter. Now we know that mass is equals to density multiplied by the volume. If density is multiplied by the volume, then we will get mass. So firstly we will calculate here the volume. पहले क्या calculate करोगे students? Here we will calculate the volume of the hemispherical ball. So we calculate the volume. So volume is 2 upon 3 pi external radius r2 cube minus r1 cube. Substitute the value 2 upon 3, 22 upon 7. What is the value of r2? 3. 3 power 3 minus 1 power 3, 44 upon 21, 3 power 3, 27 minus 1, 44 upon 21, then 26, which will come in centimeter cube. That is the volume of the hemispherical ball. But question में आपको क्या find out करना है? Now mass. So mass is equals to volume multiplied by the density. Value put करो, volume 44 upon 21 into 26 into 10, 440 multiplied 26 upon 21, which will come in gram. That is the mass of the hemispherical ball. Understand? So क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी हो सकता है आपका, मास कैलकुलेट करना है एंड द मटेरियल बाय विच वी फॉर्म द सब्सटेंस और ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर द डेंसिटी इज गिवन टू यू. सो टू कैलकुलेट द मास, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्टली वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस. आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना होगा? उसका वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करना होगा. आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग द वॉल्यूम मल्टीप्लाई विद डेंसिटी विच विल गिव्स अस द मास. So in today lecture we discuss all about the exercise 13.8. 13.8 है आपकी लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है चैप्टर 13 की, दैट इज कंप्लीटेड. सो टुडे वी फिनिश ऑफ योर चैप्टर 13. आफ्टर वाचिंग दैट वीडियो all students complete chapter 13 with examples of volume of sphere and hemisphere. Now in next lecture we will discuss the new chapter, that is the chapter 14 statics, that we will discuss in next lecture. So today after watching that video all students complete chapter 13. Thank you.